In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Adobe Sign. This process is user-friendly and designed to help you quickly generate templates that streamline your document signing process. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open a web browser of your choice. Options like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari will work just fine for this task. Starting with a reliable browser ensures a smoother experience as you navigate through the Adobe Sign platform. Once your browser is ready, it's time to log in. Head over to the Adobe Sign website and enter your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy. You'll need them to access your account and its full suite of features. If you're having trouble logging in, double-check that your credentials are correct and that your internet connection is stable. After successfully logging in, locate the Create a Template option. This will typically be found on your dashboard or homepage once you're inside the Adobe Sign environment. Selecting this option is your gateway to crafting a reusable template that can be employed across various document signing scenarios. The next step involves naming your template. Here, it's essential to choose a descriptive and relevant name. Doing so will help you easily identify the template later, saving you time and preventing any unnecessary confusion. A well-thought-out name is key, especially if you plan to create multiple templates over time. Following this, you'll need to add a document to your template. You can do this by simply dragging and dropping the file into the designated area. Alternatively, clicking Add Files will allow you to browse and select a document from your computer or various cloud storage options like Document Cloud, Creative Cloud, Box, Dropbox, or Google Drive. This flexibility is a hallmark of Adobe Sign, allowing you to work with a wide range of storage solutions. Once you've selected the document, you'll need to hit Attach to include it with your template. This part of the process ensures that the document is correctly linked and part of the template you're constructing. To perfect your template, click Preview and add fields. Here, you can closely inspect your document and customize it with all the necessary components such as signature fields, text fields, or checkboxes. Tailoring these fields to your specific requirements is crucial for ensuring the template functions effectively in real-world usage. Finally, once you've meticulously added all the necessary fields and are satisfied with the layout, click Save. This action will store your template, making it easily accessible for future use. By saving the template, you ensure that it's ready to expedite your document signing process whenever you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully created a reusable template in Adobe Sign. This template will not only be a time saver, but will also ensure consistency and accuracy in your documentation moving forward. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.